Turmeric is a great tool to naturally brighten, whiten yellow teeth, also good for sensitive teeth and dental problems like toothaches and gingivitis. Baking soda works as a mild abrasive to remove stains from your teeth. Coconut oil is another excellent ingredient for oral health, bad breath, tooth sensitivity, gum disease, whiten and brighten your teeth. Things you will need: turmeric powder, baking soda, coconut oil, a bowl. How to make a homemade natural teeth whitener. 1. Measure 4 tablespoons of dried, organic turmeric root powder into a bowl. 2. Add 2 teaspoons of baking soda. 3. Add 1/2 to 3 tablespoons of organic virgin coconut oil. 4. Mix it thoroughly with a spoon or fork. 5. Your homemade natural teeth whitener is ready now. How to use. 1. Spread 2 teaspoons of your turmeric teeth whitener on your toothbrush. 2. Gently brush your teeth for 1 to 2 minutes. 3. Swish 1 teaspoon of melted coconut oil in your mouth for another minute, then spit it out. 4. Rinse your mouth with water. 5. Do this several times a week.